Yo, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a little cruise to go check out the Sakura here in Japan. For those that don't know what Sakura is, it is the cherry blossoms and they are in bloom. So we're going to go up, meeting up with some of the local car guys here on Okinawa, and we're going to go up and get some shots of our cars in the cherry blossoms. Chief just looking so cool in the Sylvia, always.
What's going on, man?
How you doing, sir?
Chilling, man. It's a sunny day. I was like, I might as well take advantage of it.
Yeah. Not too hot either.
Sounds so good. Alright, so we're about to push off here and head up north to Nago. There's some winding roads that go through the mountains, and that's where the cherry blossoms are, so stay tuned. I'm probably not going to shoot a lot on the way there, but we'll pick back up once we get there. And we're actually doing a little family trip up there today.
Members. And that's what
You want to go see the cherry blossoms? So yeah, we're making a quick little pit stop at this abandoned hotel up here. It's got a great overlook of the ocean. Trying to get some photos and then drive back down and get some photos of the cars with the cherry blossoms. Let's go check this view out. What do you think?
It's very pretty.
What do you think?
Do you like it?
Do you like it?
She's saying cheese.
Take a quick look at this view. It's beautiful up here. Alright, we gotta check this pool out. Hey, 20 bucks.
Hell no.
It's Cannonball.
Hell no. Oh, you couldn't get me to do it.
Yo, there's fish. There's like tadpoles living in here.
What is that?
You could. Oh, look at this freaking. Is that a salamander?
This guy, hey buddy.
Yeah. You probably jump in there and come out with like 30 diseases.
Hell yeah.
I don't know why abandoned hotel pools are so intriguing. Oh, look at this one. Hey, this one looks like it's been getting some chlorine or something. It's clear. Yo, look at all the salamanders in here. Look at them all.
This is freaky, dude.
Look at this guy. Yeah, we are at an undisclosed location.
Yeah.
Look at this. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. Definitely sounds like there's little kids playing in the hotel. I'm not one for superstitions, but we're peacing out. We're getting out of here. We're gonna go find some cherry blossoms and keep moving. Sorry for the little pit stop.
Isn't that pretty, Olivia?
So y'all can see the cherry blossoms are in bloom.
The pink tree. It's gorgeous up here.
Yeah, it's pretty steep though. So here we are. We're stopping to get some still shots of all of our cars. As you can see, the cherry blossoms are in full bloom up here, looking awesome. And a little fun fact, Okinawa is the first spot in Japan where the flowers actually do bloom. And I'm pretty sure this is due to the more tropical climate down here compared to mainland Japan, because it's still freezing up there. But yeah, look how pretty these are.
Say cheese.
So yeah, we just got invited to come up to Elderly Gentleman's garden and check out his view. Check this man cave out. Look at this dude. Look how he's living.
Have soda?
Yes, what kind of soda?
Coke?
Yes.
Coke?
Coke?
Sir, thank you.
Beer?
I'm driving, or else I would.
The women are both with child.
Yep.
Oh, my bad.
This is
I know.
absolutely breathtaking.
Get it?
So what's your story?
No story, see?
Well, there's got to be a story.
My wife lives in a way down south, past Naha.
Oh wow.
She's like you. Assertive, talkative. She's allergic to me.
So you drive up here to get away?
Yes.
Take a break. Take a break.
No, not break.
Nobu, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Arigato
Thank you so
gozaimasu.
much.
Thank you.
Say arigato
Bye-bye.
gozaimasu.
We can't take this.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you sure?
Of course you.
Okay, we'll put it in your room,
Thank you so
okay?
much.
I did.
Wonderful.
The stone path.
It's wonderful.
My stone path is like over there. I wind it down and down.
It's beautiful. Okay, Kobe, you gotta go in your seat.
Alright, we're gonna drop a pin right here.
Come on.
Not even playing. Saving the pin right there. Nobu's hideaway. Boom. One last little lineup shot. I think we're gonna call it a day. Head back down south, back home. But what an awesome day. Cherry blossoms have been beautiful. Car's been driving great. Nobu and his little hideaway were an awesome experience. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. Please throw me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and stay tuned for more Nissan GTR videos. Olivia, what did you think? Did you have fun?
Yeah, but
Okay. Yeah, but what an awesome day. Shout out to Eric for getting this coordinated, and the weather held up. It's actually just starting to rain a little bit. Are you done? But yeah, you done?